Slow ball to start. Shy at the stumps, and they're off the mark. Oh, pulled away, slightly short. Shadjil's looking for that short boundary. And you can't get away with anything on this deck.
We're all day long.
Oh, he's bowled him. He's bowled him. He went for that leg side boundary again. Wasn't quite so short this time, just like Niall O'Brien said. He will try and shovel you. Got to get it fuller. It was slightly fuller. Let's have a look. I think this is a bottom edge, maybe onto the foot. The seam's up. Oh, that's got to be seen as unlucky. Incredible. Pulled onto his foot. A good 45-degree angle away from the stump. Oh, reverse sweep. What a shot this is. What a shot. Straight out of the middle of the bat. Tom Banton doesn't even bother having a look. Someone swung away that time. But Banton was all over it. Lovely shot through the offside. Runs away. This is nicely played through the offside. Lovely timing. It seemed too full to get this much power behind it. Another full ball. Oh, this is beautifully played. Managed to get his hands underneath it, got it on the full, smashed it.
Run off the face.
Oh, this one's been thrown up, a bit of air this time. And there's only one result in this game, in the 10-over game.
It's under pressure.
Well, that's pretty brave bowling to throw it up again. This is an even better stroke. Smashed over long off for 6 more. So here's the hole with the first ball. Smashed away on the leg side by Banton. Easy as that. That's gone for 4. I'll tell you what we'll do. We've got a this one whipped away to the leg side. It's going to be 4. Sahel.
That is to the end of the handle. Oh yeah, there is that wrist work. That is sensational. Really is. It is so subcontinental. I love it. Oh, it has come off the blade, and not even Pollard could get close to this one. For a split second.
Things a little bit uncomfortable. Oh, this one is on the short side, so it goes all the way. Banton now getting in on the...
To wait for it, but he's gapped it. Not even Gandalf can get anywhere near it. Tahir, where? Certainly not there. The double bluff, and it's been given. Set it up with all the men back on the onside, and he goes full here. Does Zahor. Nice. Just want to check the no ball, possibly for Zahor, who has bowled a couple of those naughty noes. I just want to check it. Just asking Alex Wharf upstairs. Now, have a look on the other side. Reverse pan cameras. Looks a little tight at this stage, doesn't it?
Around that 120 mark.
Up. KP's just looking at it sailing over his head. Talk about connection and a way to bring up a half century. 4 4s, 4 6s. He's 51 from 23 now.
The captain playing a stellar knock. He has been electric out there, striking it over too. Looks like he gets all the bad ones out of the way early.
Fetch this! Holy smoke! Went for 4. And this one will go for a lot more, I reckon. Starts with a boundary here. One long off, the captain. That is the place to bowl, but it's still gone for 4. He's finding a way here as Sohail Akhtar. Shazad, it's not yours, I promise you. Oh, what a cracker! That is right up there. Another one of those game-changing moments. High fives all round. Shafadullah. Sharafuddin. Tell me! What a catch. That is a cracking take in the deep. Wow.
He was absolutely flying. Those blue shoes, his blue spikes, he was able to skate across the ground to get into position to take it. You'd think the keeper, you absolutely would think Shahzad has got this. But look where it lands, just outside the inner circle.
That is so freakish. It's a very good Yorker. He's got him pretty much on the button here. He's still going to get 2. I don't blame you, Rav. So we've had 10, still got 13 off the last. They don't quite breach 120, Lisa, but it's not bad. It's something.
Yeah, it isn't bad, and you've got to remember that there's already been 2 games on this pitch, so it might be a little bit slower for the Qalanders. That they'll be hoping that there isn't that much dew out there, because it will make it easier for the Deccan Gladiators. But Suhail, excellent batting. The first 2 matches, 33 not out, 27 not out, and now 71 not out. Just showing that he doesn't want to have an average in this competition. So let's head down to Ridda.
He does give himself some room, finds a little bit of a gap, but it'll just be 1 on the leg side.
Nice start.
Side.
Oh, he's edged it. He's edged it past the keeper on the leg side. This is unbelievable.
Well, there's no real reason for Ben Dunk missing this, because he's nicked, and as you quite rightly point out, Simon Dool, it's gone over leg stumps. There's no... Ben Dunk's got to expect this. Part-time keeper, to be fair. Ben Dunk doesn't keep all that often. Well, the little feather. Extraordinary.
Unbelievable. Straight back over the head. 4. Well hit.
Well, Shazzy will be having a chat here, guarantee. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, straight down the ground. He's got plenty of that. He picked the slower ball beautifully, did Cam Delport there.
Yes.
Put one of those on your lure, Chief. Down to third man. Brilliant. Opened the face again. Down to the boundary for 4. Mushy's cut.
Catch it.
It's really nicely bowled, and if Chris Jordan can't get there, no one can.
Well, we've seen some to it. It's a brilliant shot.
This time down towards Banton at long on, can't get there either. He had about 3 or 4 metres to go to his left and could not get there.
Learning our experience.
I want to know what is going on in the water in Trinidad and Tobago, because you guys have a lot of players here at the Abu Dhabi T10. That's a...
Gets that one over the third man, who's up inside the circle, and away to the boundary for 4. 4 overs gone, 45. Such a powerful man, he's waiting in the wings. Oh, direct hit, that is brilliant. Absolutely outstanding. Cameron Delport, he's turning around, he's going back, he thinks he might be home. Decision pending, gone upstairs for a look. Brilliant work. He's going to be out. Yeah, he will be out. No dive. That is superb, Nobby.
Where's the dive? Brilliant fielding. Not taking anything away from the fielding, because it's absolutely...
Oh, beautifully bowled. Shahid Afridi, Ben Dunk. That is wonderful cricket. Shahzad swinging a miss, and he's on his way.
Well, I mentioned earlier, generally doesn't use his feet a great deal, and this was stumped. I reckon as soon as he stepped out of his crease there, he was missing that. Ben Dunk, well, that was fairly simple, but I think there was a little bit of a wobble in the glove. Boom, boom, takes him.
You just laughing and joking, and Shahzad's out. Oh, there's another one. Here's another one. As first ball runs down the pitch, gets nowhere near it, and he's got to go.
And Funky Donkey with the gloves on. Well, I heard Niall O'Brien saying he's part-time, but he's done a very good job here. Yep, sharp. Azim Khan is on his way back early. Oh, the last ball, he's furious. Last ball of the 6th over, and he's struck here the Sultan. And aren't they wrapped, those in green?
Well, what a huge wicket. This is the game, I feel. Karen Pollard, soft dismissal, just trying to tap it down the ground like I said he wouldn't. Oh, look at that, over the moon. Well, bomb game, of course, as you'd expect in the 10-over comp. Well, it's Narine. It's that first ball, he's going to be gone. Well, I've seen a lot of cricket in my time. Been all over the world, seen many different players, but I don't think I've ever seen someone caught deep point first ball. First time for everything, Danny.
Oh, so calypso though, isn't it? Another night in might have got it a little bit finer. That's clean. After 3 overs, there's finally a boundary for the Gladiators. Oh, and he bustles in with a beamer. Good luck at this one. Take that, Anwar, after you pump me past mid-off. A bit of chicken grease on it.
Oh, no, is there going to be a run out?
Hello.
Is this going to be a suicidal run out? It looks like it might be in a bit of trouble. It was a beamer, they ran one, and the batsman tried to pinch another single. Yeah, no ball wide for the beamer. You can still be run out, of course, for no ball or a wide. This is a long way out. Well done, Qalanders, for reacting well. So they've turned a negative into a positive, you might say there.
Well, we love a bit of science. Those negative irons into a positive one. Thank you. It owe you. Now is the freebie. Big larrup through that offside, through extra. And it's Anwar Ali again with that handle. Good pace, but flashing edge brings another boundary here. This has gone for 15, and there's still a thing going on out here. Oh, there's some more howling going on out in the centre as the zingers are ablaze here.
Full and straight. It's definitely too late for the Gladiators. There you go. Chris Jordan, the middle stump. In the middle,
Anwar Ali. Has he got all of this? He's got a good chunk of it. Oh, not quite. What a take. Is that Banton? What a wonderful running catch.
well, he's happy with it. A streamlined haircut and cut through the air. Took the catch, slid on his knees. Got a bit of a panic on whether his toes touched the boards. He's not smiling much, but I can tell he's pretty happy about things. The umpires are going to have a look to see if his feet touch the boundary. Big Alex Wharf is the third umpire. They think this is out in the middle. Let's have a look. It's definitely a fair delivery. Snazzy boots as well. It's a big tail end Charlie having a hoik. There goes Banton slicing through the air with that mohawk. Down on his knees. Yes, please. Oh! Does his best just to slide into the boards at the end, but I think this one's going to be safe. This angle will tell us absolutely nothing. But that cameraman's had a good day, as will this one. I think we're just going to go all the way around the ground until we find the right camera to use. We'll keep watching. How about this one? I think we can all agree this is out. Well done, Tom Banton. High five. I think Wolf is being paid per frame.
Come on, Alex.
Yes, that's fine.
Just wanting to make sure. Now, time for that OUT.
There we go. The big...
The ninth. It's clean.
That's a nice shot down the ground. Beautifully played. That's going to be 4 runs to finish that over off. What do you reckon?
You got enough! And Sozeman to here. Waving the wand there to finish in style. There's your back, Graham Swan.
There we go. The best thing about this, he smashed the 6-over point, turned around, bat under his arm and walked straight off with a big smile on his face. Chuckles all round. Old compatriot Shahid Afridi to have a chuckle with. So well done, the game played in brilliant spirit. The Qalanders way too strong for the Gladiators there. Let's have a look at this last ball. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Bat tucked under the arm, off your pop, number 99. I've been Imran Tahir, thank you and good night.
Yeah, cricket-tainment to the max. Yeah, loved it too, did Boom Boom. Very good, he's saying, Gandalf. Never, ever a doubt that...
Allows him to play that shot over deep mid-wicket. Just little press forward and bang. Moves onto his back foot.
Pulled away, big hit. Oh, carries the rope, got onto that one early. Just going to check which side of the rope advanced. The grand staff down there were pretty quick to signal the 6.
Shot. He is very, very impressive on that. Pick up, pull shot is the best way I can describe it.
Yeah, looks like 6 to me, all right. Just effortless.
Exactly that. He makes it look so easy. He hasn't missed out on any of those shots all day.
Another swipe at that one, beats the fielder, 4 more.
And that's exactly what the batsman wants. He picks up length so well. Chase adjusts, over pitches and bang. Puts it away wide of mid-on.
Yeah, still raced away. We didn't catch it. Absolutely on the middle. That's 10 off 2 balls, 11 off the first 3 balls of the over.
Puts a lot of pressure back on the bowler, Sharjeel. Back of a length ball, he picks it up for 6. The bowler adjusts, pitches it up a bit more, and he whacks it down the ground for 4. Where does Mr. Chase go now?
Oh, he goes big. That's into the crowd.